Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the Forex chart of gold, and yesterday we saw a good up move, good recovery on the chart of gold. Though we were expecting the market to reverse from 1660 to 1661, but when market formed this green candle, so it was a clear idea that sell position we were expecting was not valid. And yesterday I could not take any position on the chart of gold. So let's try to understand what are the trading opportunities for the day. Let's have a look at the chart of US dollar currency index DXY first. Okay, when DXY showed correction yesterday, market started witnessing good recovery on the chart of Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD. This was the main reason yesterday. And we had support around 112.40. Okay, when market came down to this particular level, there was some bounce. Okay, there was some temporary bounce, and to be honest, okay, I thought that DXY would bounce from this particular level. As a result, I immediately took a sell position on Euro USD, and it was a scalping. Okay, it was a scalping trade, so it did well. Okay, it did well. But again, I saw that, okay, I thought the market would take support, DXY would take support, and DXY would bounce. But sadly, DXY did not take any support. So as a result, my second trade on Euro USD didn't do well, and I'm still holding the sell position. Hopefully, I'll be able to recover. Okay, now let's have a look at DXY. So as we all know, the DXY is still witnessing correction. Keep in mind, this is not a trend reversal. Trend reversal is a different chapter. Okay, this is just the part of the correction right now. Here you can see that DXY is almost standing at a 50% Fibonacci 50% retracement here. But considering the present condition of the market, okay, there's a high chance that market will break and market will go down further. So this particular candle or the next one or two candles will be very important. And overall DXY is an uptrend, no doubt. And the 200 moving average has been acting as a dynamic support. So in case DXY starts falling also, you need to be alert. You need to be careful when DXY will hit the 200 moving average again. So 111.50 to 111 will be an important level for us, because from there we can expect the market to bounce again. Okay, so please be careful and let's wait and watch how the market reacts. This is the bond chart. If you look at the chart of US bond, then you can see the US bond is also showing some sort of little bit correction. But if you look at the chart carefully, then we can see an ascending triangle pattern here. Okay, there is no doubt that market is unable to cross the resistance here, but market is also not breaking the previous lows. So whenever we get an ascending triangle pattern in an uptrend market, we usually see market breaking the resistance and going up. So as long as market is respecting the trend line here, or market is forming higher lows, okay, market will be in uptrend, and the possibility of breaking the resistance will be extremely high. Okay, so wait and watch. If possible, try to keep an eye on the chart of bond as well. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. Okay, I have already discussed enough about the other charts. Right now gold is standing at 1656. This is the current market price, and as we can see, the market is approaching the yesterday's level here. As the market has already crossed the level here, so I am not considering this 1660 to 1661 as a valid resistance as of now. Okay, and apart from this level, okay, we have the trend line also. You can see more or less market is following this trend line as a dynamic resistance. So if possible, try to draw a trend line like this, because if market goes up, then there is a chance, okay, there is a chance that once market hits 1664 to 1665, okay, market may reverse again. So honestly speaking, I do not trust trend lines much. Okay, to be honest, I do not trust trend line much as long as we have any other factor. but in this market condition we can see a trend line, market following a trend line. So 1664, 1665 will be an important level. If market reverses, listen to me carefully, no level is permanent in the market. Okay, no trader is 100% accurate. So if market hits the level and reverses, then only take a sell position. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, so this is the first trading opportunity if market goes up from here, and I think by during the European session or US session, definitely market will hit the level. Apart from the trend line, okay, apart from the trend line, we hardly have got any other good level to consider as a valid resistance. Therefore, I was taking the help of Fibonacci here. Okay, I tried to draw the Fibonacci retracement here, and I could see, okay, I could see that when market was going up, okay, when market went up yesterday, okay, and market broke the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement, okay, it did not respect this or this. Okay, so I thought that there must be a problem with the Fibonacci that I have drawn. Okay, there must be a problem with the Fibonacci. Maybe this is not the right drawing. Okay, so what I did is that I adjusted the Fibonacci. Okay, I adjusted the Fibonacci drawing, and I could see right now that yes, this time when I'm considering this as a high here, okay, this time I could see the market is respecting the levels. You could see when market went up yesterday, it reversed from the Fibonacci 68.1%. So this might be the level, okay, this might be the levels, okay, from where we can expect the market to reverse. Because after all, you must understand one thing, Fibonacci, see, the nature follows the Fibonacci pattern. Fibonacci is everywhere, but when it comes to market, okay, the Fibonacci level works because traders around the world punches order. Okay, there is no magic on Fibonacci when it comes to market. Traders around the world, I'm sitting in India, traders sitting in Australia, Singapore, USA, UK, UAE, around the world, they are punching, okay, orders in these levels. As a result, these levels work fine. But yes, you need to know how to use the Fibonacci as well. Okay, so I think this setup is good, and this is a valid setup on Fibonacci. So if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then the next resistance will be 1662. Okay, so next resistance will be 1662, and as we have already seen, the trend line is also acting as a dynamic resistance here. So I think 1662 to 1664 is a valid resistance for the market. And apart from this, we also have 1667 to 1668 as a resistance here. Okay, so these are the resistance that I think are the valid resistance for the day. So first of all, listen to me carefully, I am repeating the levels again. 1662 to 1664 is the first resistance. Then we have 1667 to 1668, second resistance. Then we have got 1674 to 1675 as the third resistance. These are the levels that I think may work for the day, but keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market. So as a result, when you will see the market has come to the level, okay, observe the market first, and just see how the market is reacting. If you see that market is unable to cross 1660 to 1664, then only take a sell position. But if you see that just like yesterday, market has come to resistance, but market is extremely bullish, then bhai, जुआ मत खेलना अपने मेहनत के पैसों के साथ. Okay, don't gamble with a hard-earned money. Leave it. Okay, then just leave it. If you see market has come to resistance, but market has formed a green candle, then wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to go to the second resistance. The second resistance, if it works, if market reverses, go for a sell, or if it doesn't work, then leave it. Wait for the market to reverse from the third resistance level. Okay, I think these levels should work by today, but yes, your observation will be very, very important. And in this market condition, yesterday I have observed one thing. In this market condition, okay, you should book half of your profit by 40 pips. Okay, you can secure your half of your profits by 40 pips. Okay, so one thing I have observed yesterday, that every level is working, okay, at least for 30-40 pips. So you can book half your profits by 30 to 40 pips. And I think this should work, because if you look at the overall chart pattern here, then we can see that market is in downtrend and we have a descending triangle pattern here. In descending triangle pattern, we usually see market breaking the support and going down. So where is the support? Yes, the previous support of 1640 to 44 is still valid. So if market comes to the 1640 to 44 level, observe the market first. If there is not much volatility in the market, okay, if market performs normally, then there is a good chance that market will respect 1640 level and market bounce. But in case of high selling pressure, obviously market will not be able to hold the support, because market has already shown us a descending triangle pattern, showing a descending triangle pattern. So if market breaks also 1640, don't be surprised. Okay, you can take a sell position below 1639. Okay, so these are the levels, and hopefully you got the idea how to trade right now. Okay, sorry for making this video so long, because I wanted to explain things properly. So hopefully you got the idea. Please follow proper risk management. Okay, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, trade wisely, trade when the opportunity is right, and take position according to your capital size. Okay, bye bye, take care.